Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. 7x we can put 2x and 5x. Next we can do about factorization by x. This one by number 5. Next, we can do another factorization by s plus number 2. Now, we can use about partial fractions. So I will put about 8 over s plus number 5 and b over s plus number 2. And now, we can do common denominator. About this one, it is missing about s plus number 2, so capital 8 multiplied by s plus number 2. About this one, it is missing about s plus number 5, so capital B multiplied by s plus number 5. And now we need to expand this one. So we need to arrange based on the terms of s. Now we need to compare coefficients. We have number 3. That means a plus b equals to number 3. The numbers in here equals to 21. So we create the system of equations. And now we need to find the solutions of 8 and b. So 8 equals to negative number 2. And b equals to number 5. So we put negative number 2 and number 5 go on here. And now we have the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.